Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I wanted to give you another quick pro tip. This pro tip is around die grinders. So this is one of those die grinders. It's a 1/4 inch collet that you can get. They spin at 25,000 RPMs, or what that says right there. They are very fast, very powerful little tools. This one happens to be from Chicago Electric. You can get it at your standard Harbor Freight store. They make all sorts of versions of these with all sorts of different names, but they're basically the same tool manufactured from the same place, unless you get something from a reputable manufacturer. With that being said, these can save you big time when it comes to being in the shop. So, for instance, if you drift a hole crooked, I don't know if you guys can see that or not on this video, but basically if you drift a hole crooked, sometimes you can straighten that right out. If you guys can see that, you can basically straighten that hole right out with the use of a die grinder. Now, just keep beating it, keep hammering it, things like that. That's not going to work for you. You are going to have to use something to carve away or do something like that. You're going to lose some material. Yes, it's not going to be as good as if it was just fully forged right on through, but this is a great way of taking and deburring holes. A lot of times when you're punching or something through, you get rag. Perfect tool for that. This can save you a mint load of time. How do I know this? Because I had a recent job where I was doing a hammer, and just after it was all said and done, had it all cleaned up, I just looked at it and I noticed that the eye was just ever so slightly canted. If I would have had to take and, start all over again at that point, I would have lost days worth of work. So I used this little die grinder here, zipped off, cleaned it up a little bit, and got the hole straightened out. Got it straightened out, and it was just fine. It fit the handle just fine. Everything worked good. Still had the hourglass shape to it and everything like that. So these can save you a mint. I'm going to leave a link to not only a similar type item, it's an affiliate link, so if you purchase it through that affiliate link, I do get a little small commission for, directing traffic to a website. Just full disclosure there, so it's a great way of supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. But I'll leave a link for not only the die grinder that I use, but these bits. These are Carbide Burr bits, and this is where you make all the magic happen. Now, I have just gotten this. I bought these online through a guy. I am going to take and put a link in the description. It's an affiliated link, but it's not a sponsored deal. But these things are absolutely amazing. They are machined. They're made in the USA. They come in these great little tubes here. They come in these great little tubes to protect them, and just a really bang-up job. I've used this on multiple pieces, even hardened pieces of steel, and this cuts right through it like it's butter. So, anyways, can definitely recommend it. Really great quality. I wouldn't recommend it if it wasn't. So, that's it for this very quick pro tip. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like. If you didn't, hit that down button. And make sure you go check out blacksmithpdfs.com to check out all the most recent uploads that we have had. With power hammer plans and everything like that. Again, the links for all that will be in the description down below. So without further ado, God bless you all, and we'll catch you on the next one.